Good morning. My name is Z from Herbal Solution. Today we're gonna talk about a mid-aged man having a complaint of prostate problem. So the main complaint is frequent urination and burning sensation when he passes the urine. The regular doctor's diagnosis is enlarged prostate. So he has burning sensation when he passes urine. So even when he has sex, he will feel the burning sensation. So he had all kind of treatment all these years without any good result. So eventually he comes see alternative medicine, which is Chinese herbal medicine. Let's look at his eye picture. We can also see he has a very weak kidney system here. The pupil very small and distorted. There's no.
You mean not in a round shape? Not in a perfect round shape?
Yes, not in a perfect round shape. It's distorted, like squeeze. And there's no, it's not like a shiny glare texture. So this is a sign that the weakened kidney. And in Chinese medicine, the kidney is responsible for two functions. First, urination. Secondly, bowel movement. And it turns out this man have a lot of constipation.
Is it also for reproduction system?
That too, but today we're gonna focus on urination and bowel movement. So this man also have. It turns out he has constipation too. He couldn't. He can go move his bowel every day, but with a lot of difficulty. Yeah, he has to strain it, and the stool is like kind of thin or flat, so it doesn't go very easy. So a weakened kidney, naturally would have the urination and bowel movement disorder. Let's keep looking at his other picture. We can also see that his stomach has a lot of inflammation here. Look at these blood vessels here. Those are the signs that weakened kidney. I think it could be a result of medication damage, because all these years he seek conventional medicine treatment. So all the anti-inflammatory antibiotic, steroid that he take would inevitably do damage to his stomach system. So I asked, based on this picture, I asked him the question, do you feel bloating, fullness in the stomach? And then turns out, yes, he does. He has a lot of bloating in the stomach, and as a result of the medication damage over the years. And when I asked him the question, do you feel bloating, fullness in the stomach area? And yes, he does. He feels just bloated and a fullness, indigestion in the stomach. And I also asked him, do you have stomach acid? And of course he does, because when you have a weakened stomach, you can easily have a stomach acid. So, when you keep it going, you can find more information. So the next complication will be, do you have ear ringing? Okay, of course he does have ear ringing, and he asked me why. And I said that's because the water, circulating from the stomach up to your ear, and that caused the ear ringing. And then I also asked him, do you have anxiety? And yes, he does. He does have anxiety. And,
why? Why is that?
Because when you have the water, if you have too much water in your body, you have a feeling that you kind of like a drowning feeling, and that causes a tremendous anxiety.
Oh my God.
Yes. So he has all that. He has fullness, bloating in the stomach. He has stomach acid, and he has anxiety, and he have ear ringing, and a lot of times people will even have palpitation. And in this case, this man doesn't have palpitation, and not everybody would have palpitation. The palpitation is also a result of excessive fluid, water indigestion from the stomach.
Okay.
So the solution is also very similar. We need to strengthen. We need to strengthen the heart. We need to strengthen the kidney, and at the same time, we need to flush out excessive body water, the fluid. So we're going to improve his bowel movement and also normalize his urination. The seemingly prostate problem is actually a kidney problem. So that's it.
Okay. What will be the main ingredient for the formula?
For example, cinnamon and licorice, the poria mushroom, things like that.
Okay. Thank you.